It's that time of year when all the bunnies and flowers and little birdies come out to decorate with us. I'm so happy that you guys are here today. We are going to be decorating for spring/Easter in our foyer, dining room, living room, and kitchen. So get comfy and let's go. Hello, my beautiful friends. If you're new to the channel, my name is Victoria and I am so happy you're here. If you love everything related to the house, you're in a great place. So I would definitely encourage you to hit that subscribe button. And if you're a friend that's come back, thank you for coming back. Let's go decorate for Easter. I'm also going to give some spring ideas to bring life into your home through the spring and summer season. I know a lot of you guys are ready for the warmer weather. It's actually really an odd season right now in Florida. Normally, March is like my favorite time of year, and it has not been very lovely this March. Very cold, actually, for the season. So anyway, get comfortable from your home as I invite you into our home and as we have fun sprinkling the season of Easter and spring together. Let's start with the foyer, or foyer as some may call it. Love my hand-painted bunny. I thought he was a beautiful partner to go with my local artist, Monica Foy, and her canvas flower art, which will never die. It just brings that beautiful life into the space. And that little plant is also a faux, so he will not die, but as you can see, it's just those little touches of spring that bring the foyer to life. One thing I love to do is to keep out my everyday items that I love all year. For example, this candelabra, love this guy. So I thought adding some little moss, of course the moss catches the wax, but then the green moss on the bottom with the bird and nest definitely brings in that season of spring. In my opinion, birds can stay out all summer. Now, Easter baskets and Easter eggs, those will just stay out for a few months. I love the idea of taking our Easter baskets and filling them with decor like this plant and these eggs and the little gold bunny that it seems like you could unfoil him and eat him up. I love all the bunnies. At Christmas, it's Christmas trees. At Easter, it's Easter bunnies. So use your everyday items and in the collection with your Easter will make it super fun and festive. Take your everyday bowls and fill them with something fun like Easter eggs or jelly beans. You can see I'm keeping my books out, but this bowl will look amazing with a fresh plant in it. And of course, the plant mister helps keep him alive. I'm taking my little gold container and just adding some greenery again with the birds and bunnies. And I love our summer photos, so much fun. Why not take your candle out and put a bunny in your lantern instead? So again, you guys, be inspired and think about all the everyday items that you can leave out that you love. There's a spoiler alert up there on that shelf for my Free Spirit Bundle family. And you can delight in past summer vacations together, adding the little touch of the bunnies and the eggs and the greenery really bring that spring life into your home. Let's move on to the mantle together. You will see my collection of gold bunnies, and the greenery and twigs really make it organic and bring it to life, in my opinion. I love doing different things every single year with decorating. I will be sure to link last year's Decorate With Me, and you'll see I don't even know what I did. I'll have to watch it myself. But that's what makes decorating fun, when you can make it fresh. Again, think about your containers or vases that you can put bunnies or eggs or birds inside to bring that season into your everyday. Let's take an Easter basket and fill it with a faux plant, some yummy velvet carrots, and now our bookend reflects the holiday season. I didn't have to put my books away or my vase or my pictures. It's just trying to think outside the box of what can I use as bookends instead? How about a bunny? and a basket. And then of course in our vase, I added some faux greenery. While I am a girl that loves fresh flowers, and you will see and hear about that today, I also think when you find a good faux, it's worth grabbing because it will always bring life into your space. And of course, you don't have any maintenance with the faux greenery. Let's move on to more faux greenery that just needs a little touch of bunny. I took the succulent out of my cloche and added the Easter eggs, and took my candle away to add this green fun ball. How cute is the bunny on the planter? I love him. So again, with faux greens, you guys bring life into your home this spring that way. Adding the little touches of metallic with the gold bunny next to the wood, you can really mix those styles of rustic and clean, in my opinion. This shelf just needed a bunny. I'm going to keep my girls' photos out and my everyday clock and pot that I love on my books. So I just simply put away whatever was there before. I honestly can't even remember right now. And then last but not least, the reason why we celebrate is because he has risen. So I definitely want to represent that on our bookshelf as well. I thought it would be fun to take my past bundle candle that I've burned through. Candles, you see I have one burning. It's so important to burn candles in your house. And in this case, I took some Easter basket filling and some moss, put my little gold bird, and of course you can't have a bird's nest without eggs. So I love how my past candle turned into a bird's nest. And as you can see, again, bringing life into the space with greenery, bringing the holiday in with this Easter egg wreath on the mirror. You don't have to hang wreaths on your front door. Think of other places, bookshelves, mirrors, doors inside your home. And again, definitely bringing life with plants and cozy with candles. I never know what I'm going to do with my everyday dining room box that my dad and I made, and this season I decided, of course, to go with my two favorite things, candles and fresh flowers. I love this little vignette on this box. If you guys put something on a tray or a box or a basket like this, it will immediately elevate your space. Try to bring fresh flowers all over your home if you can. I promise it will delight your soul. And the candlelight really just adds that finishing cozy touch. Last but certainly not least is the kitchen. This is where most of us spend a lot of time, right? So I just wanted to add some bunnies and festive feel by putting my bunny under a cloche. And as you've seen, I've done this today with other things like bird's nests, bunnies. Just makes my heart happy. And my everyday bowls can become festive by adding some carrots. Here's a little spoiler alert for Free Spirit Bundle on that shelf. And I loved this little bunny. I had fresh herbs in him, and I recently just popped those out because they were dying and put this faux greenery into there. So again, keeping my recipe box that I have out all year in my little bowls, just adding some fun carrots. And as you can see, I have put a green fern in my gold pitcher, again to bring life for the season. I love my past bundle charcuterie board, which you can see I don't use it for charcuterie. I use it for my everyday oils, salt and pepper, and the bunny fits perfectly under the cloche with a little bit of grass. Why not take your creamer and add fresh flowers? I personally don't use coffee creamer, so adding the little flowers brings spring into your home. And the bunny spoon rest, he's super fun. Simple touches bring the holiday into our kitchen. That's it. I definitely want to hear in the comments if you have already decorated for Easter or if you want to see an Easter decorate the table with me. I would love to hear from you guys. If you want me to do that, I would be so delighted to. Please tell me in the comments below if that is something that would inspire you and help you. And also, I do have Decorate from Easter last year. I'm going to link those for you so that you guys can watch that when you're done here. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful Easter season. In our home, we are celebrating that Jesus is risen indeed. He has given his life for all of us. It is what we live our lives by, and we're incredibly grateful for that gift of life that God has given us through his sacrifice of his son, Jesus, who on Easter has raised from the dead and has given us life everlasting. So I pray today that no matter what season you're walking through, that you would find peace and joy in this holiday. We still love the holiday tradition of hiding our Easter baskets. Our children are older, like teenagers and young adults, and they will all be home for Easter, delighting in our decorations, but also over the table as we do our egg wars and as we have our holiday baskets that I love curating for them. So much fun, and they have to search around the house and find them. I can promise you, Scott and I have a really hard time year after year because we've lived in the same house. Where will we hide the Easter baskets this year? I don't know. But I'm so happy that you guys hung out with me today. Thank you, thank you. I can't do the channel without you guys. So again, don't forget to tell me in the comments, do you want to see an Easter decorate with me the table? Love you guys. Have an amazing week and rest of your Sunday. Bye.